Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Windows 10 device from an Arch Linux device. Now we'll be making some setting changes on both the Windows 10 device as well as on the Arch Linux device. Right now I'm on the Windows 10 device and we'll need to open the remote desktop settings and make sure that the remote desktop is enabled. We'll also need a username and a password on this machine. So let's go ahead and search for remote desktop. So type remote desktop in the search bar, remote desktop settings, and then we'll need to scroll down a little bit on the right side of the window, and you should see where it says enable remote desktop. It should be turned on. Make sure that's turned on. That enables remote desktop. Scroll down further, you'll see user accounts. This is where you can add users that are allowed to remotely connect to this device. Now if you don't have a user and a password, you can always create one. Just open computer management. So just search for computer management, and then we need to go to local users and groups, expand local users and groups, and in that window right click and create new user. Type in the user name. You can fill out the information such as full name and description, but the main thing is the password, and then you can select whichever option you want, and then you'll need to click on create. You should have a new user created. Now that we have a new user, we can go back to the settings and go to user accounts. Here you can search for that new user, click add, search, type in the new user and press enter, and now the user is added. So you go back in, you'll see that the user is listed. The other thing we'll need on this machine will be the IP address, so we can determine the IP address using the command prompt. So type in cmd to open the command prompt. Once you have the command prompt open, just type in ipconfig. And this should show us the IP address 172.16.1.102. With that information, we'll go to Arch Linux. Here we'll open the terminal, and we need to install Remmina, which is the tool that would allow us to do remote desktop to the Windows 10 device. Command sudo pacman-s, uppercase S, Remmina. Put in our password. I'll try the password again, and then we'll go ahead and you can also check the version of Remmina. Just do Remmina version. Now that we have Remmina installed, it should show us the version. You can open Remmina from the terminal. Just type in Remmina inside the terminal, and that should open the Remmina tool, which is a GUI application. On the left, you see the different protocols, RDP, VNC, SSH. We'll be using RDP in our case. And the top right, there is the main menu. Here is where you can make changes to the preferences or the settings. So you can go into preferences and look at the different options and make whatever changes you see fit. So you have SSH, terminal, keyboard, and so on. So once you're done making changes in here, just click on close. That should close this window, and then you can proceed to put in your IP address for the remote machine, the Windows 10 device, which was 172.16.1.102. Just press enter. Here you just need your username that's configured on the remote machine, and then the password. Press enter, and here you're getting a message saying there's another user already logged in. You'll need to sign out. So there's already another user logged into that Windows 10 device. So if we click yes here and go back to the Windows 10 device, you'll see that it's saying somebody's trying to connect. You can click OK, and back on the Arch Linux device, it's now connecting. Here you just, if it's the first time connecting, just click accept, and we are connected to the Windows 10 device remotely. Now on your left, there's different options you can select to change your display as you see fit. You can just try the different options to see which one works best for you. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.